Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And in today's video, we're going to talk about installing the Nuna Pipa Base using the lower anchors or latch system. Before we continue, make sure to check the manual of your car seat and of your vehicle because not all installations are the same in every car. So you need to make sure that you're doing the proper steps for your specific vehicle. Now, before we start any of the installation, we need to make sure that we release the load leg. The load leg is an extra safety feature, and we always want to use it whenever possible. So grab the leg, pull it out from under the base. We'll adjust this at the very end. There are generally two rules we're going to follow when we do this installation for the Pipa Base. Number one, we have to make sure that the baby is sitting at the right angle. On both sides of the base, there is a bubble indicator, and we just have to make sure that the bubble is touching the black line. So it doesn't have to be directly in the middle. It can be touching anywhere on the black line. If the angle is not in the right position, under the base, there is a reclined boot that we can actually pop out. And that'll help reposition the tilt of the car seat. So if you don't have the proper recline, that can help fix that. Next, we're going to find the lower anchor system in our vehicle. In my car, there are these black buttons that have a picture of a car seat. And right below the button, there's an opening in the fabric. And inside the opening, there's the metal latch bar. The connectors are located on both sides of the base. And you only have to grab one of them and turn it toward the latches. When you move one, they both move at the same time. So it makes it very convenient when you're lining it up with your vehicle. There's a window on the connector that's currently red. It'll turn green once it attaches to the vehicle. So right now, both of the connectors have attached to their respective latches, and their window is now green. Make sure that the car seat base is flush with the vehicle seat, and the bubble needs to be touching the black line. So currently, everything is going great. The last thing we need to do is adjust the load leg. The leg needs to go straight down to the floor. There's a window on here. As long as the window is showing green, you know it's completely flat. What you don't want the load leg to do is extend it where the back of the base is lifting up. Remember, the base should always be flush with the vehicle seat. So if the leg ever extends while you're driving or because you went over a bump or did a hard stop, you need to make sure that you reset it. Right on the center of the leg here where the big block is, there's a gray button. You're going to push the button in all the way. That's going to unlock it, so then you can retract it. Make sure the base is flush with the vehicle seat again, and then you can let the leg go straight down to the floor. And that's your installation. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.